Hi everyone, in today's video we are talking about IBM Cloud Functions, that is an Apache openwhisk functions based. This will be the first video in a series to get an application running with cloudant function and a front end, so I hope you enjoyed this first video. Let's do it. So the first thing we need to do is to go to cloud.ibm.com and log in with our user. In this case, this is my user and my password. Then we need to go to the functions tab and get to the actions, create an action, and then we need to set a name for our action. In this case is API with a package default. We can create one if we want. In this case I will take my APIs and then I will choose a runtime of nodejs. Here we have our function. It will return only a message of hello world. Let's invoke it. There you have. So next thing we need to do is to change something to get from the parameters. So we can have access to the parameters. In this case, I'm going to take the name and let's set default parameters right here to test it. Enjoyable. So let's invoke it. And there you have, hello enjoyable. We are taking the .name from the parameters. So next thing, we can add a parameter right here. It will be like a secret. We can define it right here. So if we have any secrets or any passwords that we need to set or credentials is right here. And then we can access to it by the params. So as you can see, it's right there, the secret. Let's save it and run it. Okay, there you have. We have our secret right there. Perfect. Next thing we are going to check is the runtime. Here we can move the timeout. If the function have 100 seconds or 10 seconds, it will stop, and the memory limit, we can downgrade or upgrade the memory limit. As you can see, the limit is 2048. Let's set that 128 and there 30 seconds. And we can change the runtime. As we can see, there is a lot of runtimes. Let's save it. We can set a web action with this function, so we can allow to control the response data, and right there we have enabled the web action, and we can make a request from this URL. So let's try it. So we are going to make a post request and send a name. Right there, and let's send. Okay, why there is no content? Because we need to create a body when we make the web action. So let's wrap all this thing into a body. This is very important. If we set as an endpoint as a web action, we need to send all wrapped in body. So there you have. Okay. As you can see, it's working right now. We can send it as a query param2 and it will receive it right there. Hello enjoyable. And there you have. So right now we have the query param right there, but what happens if I send a body? As you can see, the body has priority from the query param. So here we have our function. Let's change something to let you know how fast is this. So I saved and I'm running. And it is working. As you can see, less than 2 seconds it's working. So as you can see, it's very fast to upload the function. Okay, so let's check it out in a console. Let's first check our IBM Cloud account. And yeah, there you have. Okay, we need to make the login right here. So with my email and my password. Okay, I'm authenticated right now. We need to set a resource group, a API endpoint, organization, and space. So first of all, let's target the CF, Cloud Foundry. As you can see, we target that API. And let's set the resource group. So in this case, I have the default resource group. As you can see, it's default. Let's change. Default. As you can see, here we have the command to run this. And there you have. We have set all the stuff that we need to access our action from here. So IBM Cloud function action list. There you have. I have my function right here. It's private and nodejs 10. There is my action. Okay. And there you have. This is the action that I found in the CLI. So let's create an app.js with this, and let's upload it from the CLI. Let's save it. Okay. And you can see. So let's change something right here. That's all. So let's upload this. Okay. The way that I'm going to upload this is with IBM Cloud Functions, action, create. So let's set a name for that function, and the file that we need to upload, and we need to set web true to make a web action. So there you have. We have created our web action. There you have new API and Node.js. Okay, let's check the URL from this one. It's right there. And there have no parameters, runtime, and there are our new API. Let's check it out in another request. Send a JSON with a name. And that's working. As you can see, it's working right now. We can make some changes and then update into the IBM Cloud. We need the name of our function and the file that we are uploading, and the flag web true to make the web action. As you can see, it's working. And there you have, the change is made. It took me 1 second to upload it. So let's check our actions. There you have. Okay. Let's delete our action. And it's done. It's deleted. As you can see, there is no working right now because it doesn't exist. And if we go to here, there is no more action. So as you can see, we have the first one, but not the second one we created. Let's log out. And we can manage right here to get a token, API key. So we can access IBM Cloud without putting our password. So this is my API key, and I can log in with the API key using the flag API key. Let's paste my API key there, and it's working and I'm logged in. And that's all, folks. So I logged in with my API key. Let's set the target to CF. Okay, and yeah, as you can see, I'm logged in. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the first video of a series from IBM Cloud. I will create a whole application with functions and cloudant. So I hope you enjoyed. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and comment, and see you soon. Bye bye.